Okay, so 5.3 shouldn't be too terrible. It's stuff you really should already know how to do. It's just doing multi-step inequalities. So we'll start over here. So we're trying to get y by itself. So we're going to subtract the 11. So 43 subtract 11 is 32 is greater than 4y. Divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4. So 8 is greater than y. So then flip it over. So y is less than 8. Okay. All right, then over here, let's add 13 and add 13. So negative 11y is greater than 555. Divide both sides by negative 11. And remember, what do we do when we divide by a negative? So immediately flip that over. So we've got y is less than negative 5. Okay, so then we've got another one. So we have parentheses, and obviously we can't put those things together. So we'll distribute. So we have 30z minus 18 is less than or equal to 36z. So then we need to put our z's together. So then let's go ahead and subtract the 30z. So I have negative 18 is less than or equal to 6z. So divide both sides by a 6. And that's a positive 6 because this is positive, so we don't flip that over. So we have negative 3 is less than or equal to z. Now we flip the whole thing over because the z should be on the left. So that should be your answer. So then the graphing, we're going to do the negative 3, 0, and positive 3. So then we've got at negative 3, we want a closed circle because it could be 3. So let's close the circle. And then it's going to be shaded to the right. Okay. So then we have, of course, we've got to put a fraction one in there. So then, my apologies. I need my calculator on this one. Okay, so we're going to subtract 6. We have negative 5 over 4p is less than 6. And then we got to multiply by the reciprocal. So 4/5 times 4/5. So those cancel. So we have p is less than, well, 6 times negative 4. Oh, what did I do wrong? I got to flip that over because I multiplied by a negative. So I'm going to come in here and fix it. So then we have negative 24 over 5, and that cannot be reduced. So there we go. Okay. So here we go. We're going to change this into an inequality. So 8 times a number minus 27 is no more than, so it has to be either less than or equal to, the negative of that number, so negative x, plus 18. So now we're going to add x. So we have 9x minus 27 is less than or equal to 18. So let's add 27 to both sides. So 45. So 9x is less than or equal to 45. Divide both sides by 9. So x is less than or equal to 5. Okay. All right, so let's look at important, pay attention. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. So it looks like we're going to have to distribute. The big thing on this is you're actually distributing a negative 5. So it's going to be negative 5t plus 25 when you distribute it to both of them. And then the 9t stays, is less than or equal to, and we have 4t minus 12. So then these two t's can be put together. So we have 4t plus 25 is less than or equal to 4t minus 12. And don't freak out. Don't think that it can't be done or you know exactly what it is. Let's finish it. So I'm going to subtract a 4t. So 25 is less than or equal to negative 12. Is that a true statement? That is not. So no solution, meaning I can't put something, solution. I can't put something in there that will actually make that work. So, all right, so let's look over here. So we'll distribute that one. And I am going to change to a blue pen so that my stuff from the question on the right doesn't blend in with the question on the left. Wait, I don't think I actually have a blue pen. Well, that's rude. Let's see. One more spot. No, doesn't look like it. Oh, found one. Okay. It's just so it doesn't blend in. So we're going to go 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 42. And then we've got positive 6 going to both those. So plus 12m minus 24. So nothing can be combined here. And then we have this and this. So 42 minus 24 is 18. So we've got 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 12m plus 18. Okay, so I know those are the exact same thing, but let's look real quick. So 18 is less than or equal to 18. So yes, this is true, meaning you could put any number in there. Okay, but here's the thing. If that underline wasn't there and it said 18 is less than 18, that would be not true. So it would be no solution. So be careful in making sure that you could get all the way down there. Okay, so there's the assignment.